Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Shri Rama Bharti Public School. This is Natasha here and we are continuing with our chapter Our Changing Earth. In the previous video we had seen how river acts as an agent of changes that occur on our earth, and in this video we will study how wind acts as an agent of erosion, or it leads to formation of various landforms on our earth's surface. Now wind actively erodes landforms, especially in desert. Wind is an active agent of erosion in deserts. Now, why is that so? It is because there are no barriers in deserts. There are no tall buildings or trees or anything. So the speed of wind is not blocked by anything because there is no barrier. So due to this, what happens? It leads to the formation of sand dunes. Now, when the wind blows, it lifts, transports sand from one place to another. Wind transports huge amount of sand from one place to another. And when it stops blowing, the sand falls and gets deposited in a shape of a low hill. And this hill of sand is called sand dune. Now, these sand dunes are not permanent at a place, they keep on moving. As the wind blows, the structure, the shape, the place of that sand dune changes as well. When the grains of sand are very fine and very light, wind can carry it over long distances as well. And in this process, loss are formed. So, sand dunes and loss are basically the same thing. It's just the difference between their size, between the size of their particles. Another landform that is formed due to work of wind is mushroom rock, and this is also basically found in deserts. Now, mushroom rocks are another structures that are formed by wind. Whenever wind blows, it carries sand particles near the surface of earth, and these winds that consist of those sand particles, they erode the lower section of the rock more than the upper part. In the previous video when we were studying about waterfall, I had mentioned that there are soft rocks and hard rocks as well. So the portion of rock that consists of soft part gets eroded faster than the hard part. So what happens? The wind is blowing, and since it contains those sand particles, they constantly hit the lower part or the softer part of the rock, and the lower part gets eroded faster than the upper part. So it leads to formation of a structure of mushroom, as you can see in this image. So this is how a mushroom rock is formed. So we studied three main landforms that are formed due to work of wind: sand dunes, loss, and mushroom rocks. So this is it for this video. In next video, we will study about another agent that is responsible for changes on our Earth surface.